the first one, realization account, then partners loan account, then partners capital account, this is partners capital account, and now the last one is so total 4 accounts we have to create. There is one account, partners loan. It will be created only if there is information related to it. Otherwise, 3 accounts are necessary. Okay. So it is your question number 1. The first one is a realization account. Particular amount. Particular amount. Actually, we haven't discussed the journal entry yet, but no issue. We will solve this question. Then we will discuss journal entries. Partners loan account, then partners capital account, and after that there is cash account. Partners names are Vinod, Vijay, and Venkat. So Vinod, Vijay, and Venkat. Vinod, Vijay, and Venkat. Okay, first of all, creditors, bills payable, Vinod loan. We have to clear the balance sheet. I told you in the previous class that first step is clear the balance sheet. Every item will be removed from the balance sheet and transferred to respective account. So first of all, let's start with liability side. Creditors will go to realization account. It is a liability. So by creditors account, it will be transferred at book value. The transfer is always done at book value, 17,000. Bills payable. So by bills payable, it is 12,000. Then Vinod loan. Actually, Vinod loan is internal liability. We have created a separate account, partners loan, or you can say Vinod loan. So we will write by balance BD here in Vinod loan account. Actually, it is Vinod loan account. Name is given. So by balance BD 5,300. After that, general reserve is given. So general reserve will go in partners capital account by general reserve. It is 6,000, and 6,000 will be distributed into 3:1. So 3,000, 2,000, and 1,000. After that, the credit side item, sorry, asset side item, bank Bank, there is a separate account created for bank. So cash account or bank account, you can say. So to balance BT, it is asset. That's why balance is on the debit side, 3,500. After that, stock 19,800. All other assets will go to realization account. So to stock, the stock is 19,800. Debtors 15,000. Debtors 15,000, and there is a provision related to debtors. So provision will be written on credit side. Provision for doubtful debts. 1,000. Investment, furniture and machinery. So to investment, to furniture, to machinery. Amount is 4,1033. 4,000, 10,000 and 33,000. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
We have transferred all the items from the balance sheet. Now there is nothing left in the balance sheet. So we have cleared the balance sheet. Now we will go to additional information. The investment are taken over by Binod for rupees 5,000. So Binod has taken the investment. So we have to write by Binod capital account. If Binod has taken it, it means he will not pay cash. He will take the assets and tell the other partners that this amount will be deducted from his capital. So that's why by Vinod capital investment. How much? 5,000. Investment are taken over by Vinod at 5,000. After that, assets realized as follows. So by cash account, which assets are realized? Stock 17,500. Then debtors 14,500. Then there is furniture 6,800. And after that, there is machinery 30,300. So total amount 69,100. Yes, 69,100. Expenses on realization amounted to rupees 2,000. So to cash account expenses 2,000. Now we have to see that information about all the assets and liabilities are given or not. So there is no other information. That's it. Close the books of the firm giving relevant ledger account. So we have to see first of all the asset side. You can see the stock is realized here. The stock 17,500. Then debtors is also realized 14,500. Investment taken over by Binod and furniture realized 6,800, and then machinery. So all the assets is realized now. We'll talk about liability. There is no information about liability. That's why I told you in previous class that if there is no information about payment to liability, then we assume total amount, यानी full amount is paid to liabilities. तो हमने पूरा अमाउंट पे कर दिया है. अगर उसके बारे में कोई इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं है तो हम ये मान लेते हैं कि लायबिलिटी का पूरा अमाउंट पे हो गया है. तो टू कैश अकाउंट क्रेडिटर्स को हमने पूरा अगर पे किया है तो इसका मतलब 17,000. और बिल्स पेबल So bills payable full amount is 12,000. It is 29,000. Is this clear? So creditors is complete now. Bills payable is also complete. Tell me, is there any problem?
Yeah, no, sir.
Okay. Now, from these
Sir,
information,
sir,
write
sir,
some.
sir. So
Yes.
I want to ask you something. Sir, can you show me the question like from where you get these all details? It's mentioned there,
Which detail?
like this by credit, by bill payable, by product, the provision of doubtful death. They have mentioned there everything this thing.
Yes. Creditors.
Okay, 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 sir. Okay.
The first step is transfer all the assets, all the liabilities from balance sheet to realization account. Capital account will be transferred to capital account. Cash balance will be transferred to cash account. Partners loan balance will be transferred to partners loan. So these three, after these three, all the other assets and liabilities will be transferred to realization account. That's why creditor bills payable we have transferred to realization here, and stock, debtors, investment, furniture, machinery is transferred here. Along with debtor, there is a provision. So I have written debtors on the debit side and provision on the credit side. So net amount is 14,000. You can see here, debtor 15,000, provision 1,000. You have to write like this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, whatever items are related to cash will be transferred to cash account. So there is two things here, expenses and liability. So we will write it on the credit side of cash. Sorry, we will write here by realization account, expenses 2,000, and liabilities is paid 29,000. So 29,000. Total 31,000. Again, cash is also realized from assets. So to realization account. From assets, we have realized total 69,100. 69,100. Okay.
Okay.
So it is assets. Okay. Capital account balance we have not written here. By balance, we the capital account balance 25,000, 11,000, and 8,000. After this, okay, there is one item related to Binod capital 5,000 on the credit of realization. So it will be transferred to debit of partners capital to realization account in Binod account, because Binod has taken the assets. That's why this 5,000 will be deducted from his capital. It is debited here, 5,000. Okay. So these are the items that we have to write here. Now we will start closing the account. So first of all, we have to close loan account. I told you if there is no information about liability, we assume it is paid in full. So 5,300 is paid. There will be no balance.
Then Vinod loan, there's no balance.
Yes, because there was 5,300 due and we have paid it. So this payment will be written in cash account also by Vinod loan account. 5,300. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, after Vinod loan, we have to close realization account. So, which side is higher?
Okay. Right. Let's
I
put
think
this.
debit side is more. Okay. This is the balance. It will be transferred to partners capital. It is a loss here. So 17, 12, 29, 30, 35, 35, 9, 44, and 60, 1 lakh 4,100. So 8,700. It is the profit loss on a realization account. So this loss will be written in realization loss. 8,700 will be distributed between partners in their profit sharing ratio. So 8,600 divide into 3 by 6, 8,700 into 2 by 6, 8,700 into 1 by 6. So 1, 2, 7, 4, 3, 0, 5, 0, 2,900 and 4,350. Okay, so this will be written in debit side of 4,350,2,900,1,450. After the realization account loss is distributed, you have to close the capital account. 28,000, 13,000, 9,000, 28,000, 13,000, and 9,000. So
Yes.
to cash up, whatever the balance is, because business is closing, so all the amount will be paid off. Nothing will be left. So 7,550 for Venkat, uh, 10,100 for Vijay, and 18,650 for Vinod. So this amount will be written in credit side of cash account because it is cash payment. So by partners capital account. Vinod 18,650, 10,100 for Vijay, and 7,550 for Venkat. So on the credit side, it will be 0, 0, 36,300. So 600. This is your solution. Realization account, then Vinod loan, partners capital, then cash. You want to write this?
Yes, sir.
Done.
Wait, sir. Scroll up, sir. Sir, scroll up.
Scroll up or down?
Down, down, down. Yes. So just give me 2 minutes. So scroll up. So scroll down. Sir, something this black came. Hello, sir. Sir, hello. Hello, sir.
Sorry, Vivek, was disconnected.
Yes, sir.
The last part you were writing,
Yeah, last part I'm writing.
you are able to see the screen now?
Yes, sir. So scroll down.